Are you a teacher looking to improve your classroom management skills and teaching confidence? Whether you're new to teaching or already experienced, this free webinar is designed to help you grow professionally and handle classroom challenges with ease. In this session, you will learn practical classroom management strategies, how to engage and motivate students, solutions to common teaching challenges, tips to become a more confident teacher, live Q&A session to answer your questions. This is a practical training session for teachers who want to improve their impact in the classroom. Participation is free.
Welcome to our free Teachers webinar, where we'll share classroom management tips and dynamic live Q&A session. Register now.
Click the link below to register and reserve your spot. I look forward to having you in the session.